morning, good morning. I say that, good morning, good morning, good morning. The Father, the Son, the Holy Ghost. You can see I'm at this huge, all this building, even that one right there. All this building here today. There's a couple 8 inches. Way back there you see a couple more 8-inch risers. 1, 2, one on the other side of the wall. So on this rainy Monday day, you could see there's a lot of mud out here. And I'm just going to make it muddier with all that sprinkler water. So looks like a beautiful day to work. Peace and love. Okay, that doesn't look good. Good. Well, it's time to go home, boys. The rain is not stopping. Not stopping today. Down in the hole. This used to be a 10-story building right next to I-80 in Hagenberger. Now it's rubble. And that truck's messing up my shot. Damn you!